This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their dance party chorus. So I am on part 7. Looks like we already have code here, so I'm going to go ahead and see what it does. Oh, wow. Oh, we have a bunch of dancers. I haven't seen a frog before. Huh. Cool. All right, let's see what we're going to be working on. Every dancer has a set of properties that controls what it looks like. Ooh, and properties is a word used in code. You can make it look like a dancer is in the background by making their size smaller. Can you make both backup dancers the same size? All right, let's see what they mean. Oh, right, so our duck is a bit smaller. I'm going to assume since Frog's in the center, Frog is our main dancer, and so Robot should probably be in the background. Use set backup dancer to size block to make the dancer smaller. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to zoom out a little so we can see all of this code. There we are. Okay, so we want to make it smaller. And it looks like here's our setup, right? And we set up the background to diamond. Yep. Ooh, what's cool? Okay. Anyways, and we make our duck. Check. And we know the duck's a backup dancer because if we look at the variable name or the duck's name, well, they named them backup dancer. And Robot must be another backup dancer because named backup dancer. Frog must be our lead dancer because guess what? Called lead dancer. So we want to change the size. It looks like to change the size, they use this set block. So I'm going to look for that and just grab it over here. I'm going to drag it underneath Robot, drop it in. Okay, and what size? 50. Okay, that looks good. Did we need to do... No, it looks like we can leave this stuff. All right, let's test it out. And now backup dancer 2, which means Robot, and backup dancer 1, which means duck, size is set to 50. Oh, awesome. So that was the code that worked for me, right? We used backup dancer 1 and backup dancer 2 immediately after making each of those. So all we had to do, I guess, was add that block. All right, onward.